Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Stock Market Daily Update. I'm Aditya from Mostly Bearish. Right. So today on my Telegram channel, I had updated about a few stocks. Mainly it was a trade on Nifty and Goa Carbon. So let's take a look at what happened and what were the trades taken. Okay. So let's just start off with Nifty itself. So yesterday I had a view that Nifty will see a fall. In the first 5 minutes, there was a fall, but then there was initial buying which had started. I did not initiate any position during the first half, mainly because I was in the view that Nifty might start going down. I was waiting for buying exhaustion to happen before Nifty starts to go down. During this candle which was building, that is when I realized that Nifty is going to start falling, and I had bought the 11,900 puts. So as and when the prices started moving down, I had exited them as well. There was another trade that I had taken when I saw that there is another red candle building and there might be a breakdown. So even during this candle, I had bought the same 11,900 puts and exited. During the day, in the morning hours itself, I had updated that I'm going to be looking at L&T Technology Services, mainly because of the up move it created. And when the stock became range bound at these levels here, I had updated that this is one of the stock which is going to give a breakout or a breakdown. And if you see, as soon as this candle was built, there was a breakout and there was an initiation of an uptrend. This whole move from the stages, somewhere around here, the stock was trading around 5% up. From there, we saw a rally till 13%. I had initiated a trade somewhere around here and I exited early when I saw some kind of a selling pressure building at these levels. The final trade was, I had also updated, if the prices don't go below 223 levels here, there might be an up move to 226 to 227 levels. When the prices went down, I had lost interest in this, but as the day progressed, there was again initiation of buying. As and when the prices started moving upwards, at these levels here, when the highs were taken out, if you see, this was the previous high and the high was taken out and this candle started giving an initial up move. I had bought the stock mainly because I expected this to hit the 20% upper circuit. So somewhere around these levels here, I had entered and I had exited my position when the stock hit 20% in this candle itself. Channel, the Telegram, the link of the Telegram channel is in the description below. So make sure if you want to get live updates from my side, you can join that. Let's take a look at what may happen in Nifty and Bank Nifty tomorrow. So anyway, I was of the view that Nifty is going to fall, but if you see, 12,000 levels are extreme resistance which Nifty has as of now. So we have seen an uptrend in Nifty for quite some time, and I expect 12,000 levels to act as an extreme resistance. If that is broken, then possible up move to 12,200 also can be seen. But then I'm still bearish right now on Nifty, mainly because if you see on the half an hour time frame, Nifty has been trading in a range. There is no break and it's just range bound between 12,000 and 11,900. If these levels are broken, I will go long in Nifty. But tomorrow, if the levels are lower and the prices start moving downwards, I will have a short view on Nifty itself. There might be some kind of selling pressure is what I'm expecting. I'm still having one view that is bearish on Nifty as of now. Let's take a look at Bank Nifty as well. Bank Nifty was comparatively weaker compared to Nifty today. The gap down, if you see, there was a gap down in Bank Nifty which did not get covered initially. The first 10 minutes, the prices were driven down. Yes, during the day, the prices did go up. And if you see here, there was a double top created. As soon as the double top was created, the prices again started falling down. The different possibilities in Bank Nifty will be, now if you see, there is a range which is sideways and downwards as of now. If these levels are cleared, I'm expecting prices to reach somewhere around 23,200 levels. But if there is any buying interest and this range is broken on the top side, here on closing basis, what I mean is the range has to be broken and stay above this trend line. That is when there might be some initiation in buying, but there might be a resistance at 23,800 levels. This is my view on Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. The live updates will be given on Telegram channel based on how they open itself. I will be more confident if the prices are driven down, because I have a view that the prices are going to go down. Now let's get to segment 3. If you guys have any stocks that you would like me to analyze or look at, there's a format that I'm following. You could give it to me in this format and I would be able to look at it in a better way. Okay, so our RVNL stock, I don't know why it is falling continuously. Okay, Tushar's question is this. Let me just take a look at that. RVNL is the stock. Okay. It's a penny stock, so I don't usually look at penny stocks, but then I can tell you that this was the support here. And if you see here itself, the support was broken. The prices tried to move up. Let me make it a little bit easier to understand and make this is going to be better. This was the support and this candle broke the support. If you see, the next day also there was some kind of buying, but then selling pressure was higher. The prices even today are below that. So there is more bearishness and this area is going to act as a resistance for RVNL as of now. Dr. Reddy was one of the stocks that I was looking at. And I've been following Dr. Reddy for quite some time. Right now, even now, this has been in my watch list for last 2 weeks. This is the third week where I'm looking at Dr. Reddy. It is completely range bound and it is respecting the resistance and support levels. I'm waiting for a breakout on closing basis above these or below these levels to take any kind of positions in Dr. Reddy on intraday basis. Another stock that I was looking at was Ambuja Cements. Ambuja Cements today gave a great breakout. I already expected this, mainly because I expected that if the prices are moving above these levels, it is going to create a fresh 52-week high. Yes, there was some kind of a selling pressure on top. Let's take a look at it on a lower time frame itself, right? So as and when the prices started moving up, there were two segments the prices moved. This was the initial segment and this was the second. But here there could have been an easy confirmation that the prices are going to start falling, mainly because it tried to break the top level and this candle gave a confirmation that it's going to be falling from here. Right now, I'm going to be waiting. Now already this move is done. I'm going to be waiting to see if tomorrow or day after also, if there is any kind of a up move. I don't expect it to be as great as today's move. The third stock that I was also looking at was HPCL. HPCL, my expectation was that it is going to reach 180 levels at least. This stock is extremely bearish. These are the levels which I'm going to be watching for. Today also it's at the resistance level, but tomorrow if there is any break or any level broken below today's low was 169.75. I'm going to be looking at it for a short side view. If Nifty is confirmed falling, this can be one of the stocks which might contribute. The weightage is comparatively lesser, but this might be one of the stocks which can see some fall. But I'm going to be looking at it tomorrow as well. Are there any other stocks that you guys would like me to look at? Alright then. So thank you so much for watching. If there are any other stocks, you can leave it in the comment section and I will look at it tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching.